6W 80 cm Mini UV Lamp Nail Dryer LED Lamps USB Charging Cable Gel Polish Curing Machine Manicure LED Micro UV Lamp Nail Tool. Feature: 100% new retail and high quality. Small and exquisite. Double light. Not black hands. Not Dazzings. 6W power. USB charge. 3 LEDs. Comfortable eye contact relieve burning sensation. Egg-shaped design convenient to carry around and store. Suitable for professional or home use. Specification: quantity, 1 PC. Power, 6W, max. Product size 97 mm 34 mm/3.81.34. Color, white. Material PC/ABS. Power supply USB cable. Package content.